In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to learn Italian with Duolingo. Now, if you want to learn Italian with Duolingo, you just have to pick the Italian language. Now, if you want to pick that, just scroll down and search for Italian. Press continue. Duolingo will jot down some things. Then you just have to find the best place to start. Whether you're learning Italian for the first time or you already know some Italian. I don't know any Italian, so I'm going to click on learning Italian for the very first time. Okay, so Duolingo will give me a quick test.
Caffè.
So I just have to finish the test.
Cornetto. Te. Te. Lo. Lo.
And if there's anything I don't know, I just click on it and I see it right there.
Bere.
Now once I am done with the test,
Get more with Super Duolingo. Reach your language goals fast with premium features that optimize your learning. With no limits to the mistakes you can make and no ads. Super learners are 4.2 times more.
so once I'm done with the test, I will now be able to practice Italian anytime I like. I just have to be consistent, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.